Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. One of my viewers or subscribers sent me this, and I love it. As of right now, I can't get mine to look as good as his. He gave me some really detailed instructions, and I'm doing something wrong, and I'm making this video so he can hopefully help me make it better. I'm using his sheet, as you can see. With his instructions, I'm going to make some things a little easier, and he can tell me if I messed up. So we're going to make this thing 6-inch long. And then I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 0.01. And I'm going to hit the plus key and move it over that many times. Now, by doing that, now I can just go, well, I can't. Let me set my nudge factor on, let's go 0.05. And then I'm just Control D. Now, he trimmed off a lot of excess stuff. You need a square. And if we look, I'm a little bit long, so I can just take a few out. And then I'm still a little long. And I can either take it out or with my ratio locked, I can make them both 6x6. If I'm understanding the process right. I'm going to Control G to group those, and I'm going to make them red. And then I'm going to Control D and rotate them 90 degrees. And see, there's the square part. And I'm going to make those blue. So we have this pattern of blue and red lines, and maybe that's where I'm going wrong. I'm going to go to Control G to group it, and I'm just going to skew it. But I'm going to take it and actually rotate it. So I kind of have an edge up there. And then unbelievable that you can go, I've used the smear tool a lot. He suggested 2 inches, so I'm going to go with 2 this time. I went with 4 with mine because mine was bigger. Just make sure you have round or smooth smear, and your pin pressure maybe 100. I have found don't go to the edge, start somewhere in the edge, and then start moving it, and then just go past your, and see, I think I had to go too far. That's one thing good about the backup key. And see, you really got to get it. And see, my lines are, you know what, I'm going to try the pin pressure of like 60. See, I think that might be a little bit, I don't know how you're getting that color. Now, if we bring in a black box, so this might be part 1, and he might tell me what I'm doing wrong. And that looks pretty cool, though. I think if you can't go too far, and you can tell you're going when it starts doing that. I mean, his look more rounder. His are, so I don't know about his colors because he's got blue lines and then red lines. Maybe I'm missing, those are all blue. So maybe I'm missing a step where I just have blue and red underneath each other. Anyway, maybe stay tuned for part 2 and we'll both learn together. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.